Jebret team. How are you today? This is the fourth episode of DPE English versions. Unfortunately, Nessa isn't here with us because if she is with us, then we will laugh more than just they're both here. She have so many agenda, I think, with her new car. But that's okay. Still gotta love you here again. Thank you guys for all of your comments. Me and all of teams really appreciate it. So I guess we will straight to our discussions. And our topic for today is Star Isn't Always Shine Bright. With Justin and Harpa here, both of you will already know that this topic is addressed to the two superstar of football, GOAT. The rivalry between Messi and Ronaldo continues, but unlucky for Messi, after 4 games with PSG, he hasn't bucket any goal. Plus, he have to deal with injury. So, 4 games without a goal, without an assist. What do you think?
Yes, this is the new life, really new life for Messi. Been like, I think 20 years. Share the same fans, same stadium, same city, and now he had to move to a new city, which actually is not really different. I mean, Barcelona and France is like not the other way, like going to the Asia or something. So on the other hand, Ronaldo is an adventure guy. He's been moving to a lot of clubs, Porto, Juventus, and Madrid, and then coming
Sporting.
back to Sporting Lisbon, and then coming back to Man United, and at the same time, as you.
But I'm asking about Messi first.
Yeah, so there's a difference. At the same time, Ronaldo has scored.
Not Ronaldo yet. It's still Messi. What happened? He hasn't scored.
Yeah, as I
not
said,
given
because
assist.
for over 20 years he spent the same things every day, and then now he has to adapt with the new everything, new stadium, new fans, new tactic. Even though they have Argentine connections, but still, it's not easy to adapt with the.
Is that an excuse that you can also agree, Coach?
No, I think it's just a matter of time.
Okay,
And
how many times?
everybody know that PSG has bought many superstars players, and I think it's a big task for the coach to form or to make these superstars, this 11 ego, to be a solid team, and they are on the way to that process. But I think it's just a matter of time when Messi can score and make assists.
But it's already 4 weeks from the
Yeah,
first time he's abroad.
4 weeks, if you compare 4 weeks with contract of 2 years, is nothing. And the coach is not a magician. He needs time. But we will see if he can make it or not. If he doesn't make it, he will get sacked, and he will be replaced with another big name coach, and maybe he can make from PSG a solid team.
So the one who will
but
get-
I have no doubt with Messi, he will adapt.
So the one who will get sacked is the coach, not the player.
No, if you want to sack the players, you have to sack 10, 11 players to form new team. It doesn't make sense. The responsibility of a team is still the coach.
Okay.
So it depends on the coach if he can manage the team or not.
But how about his typical of play in PSG?
Messi.
Yeah, Messi.
The problem with Messi is when it comes to when PSG are in ball possession, there is no problem. Messi can make his action. Messi can shoot from the second line, but the main problem is the transition. Like in Barcelona, he just walked. He didn't run. He didn't help the defense. And that was the problem. I think it was the first or second match when he started. And I think the players of PSG or Pochettino should accept that, because Messi has another quality that you can use it, but definitely is not defense.
But you agree when Pochettino take him out from the game before?
Yeah, of course.
It added-
Pochettino is the boss, period. And Messi should listen to him. The main question is, after that
Yeah.
incident, will Pochettino have meeting with Messi and also to other players with ego, Neymar and Mbappe. If he can manage that three players, everything will be okay with PSG. But if he cannot manage their ego, he will face huge problem in the future.
But Neymar is like in the Messi side,
Yeah,
different with Mbappe.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Even though he has a Argentine collection, he's got Neymar on it. He got bonding, not like really new home to him. But again, he just needs time. As I said, it's just he needs a little bit longer to adapt with the new family. But Messi still, as Justin said, Messi still Messi. Sooner or later he will score goals. He will make an impact. And the issue is how to manage the gap between the system that PSG had and also the way Messi plays. Because now he has to play with the system of PSG, and it's not easy. And at the same time, Pochettino must compromise his ego. And I think if they can manage that maybe in 1-2 months, I think he will score more goals.
I'm not sure it's a matter of wrong system. I
No,
think
I
it-
didn't
it-
say wrong system.
I-
Just the different kind of play between Messi when in Barcelona and the system
No,
PSG has.
it doesn't matter. Messi can adapt in many kind of system. The problem is not the system. The problem is the ego,
Of the players.
according to especially Mbappe. Because I saw one of the matches where Mbappe and Messi played. Messi come from behind, and usually he will get the ball. And now Mbappe shoot. He looks for his own goal. That's the problem of Mbappe.
So how about you, Jubre team? Do you agree if the problem is the system or the ego? Just like Harpa said or Justin said, give your comments below and should and have to do in English. Okay, you have to write down the comments with English. I want to talk Indo bahasa, then I will get
50,000
fine 50,000. Yeah. Okay, so that's the problem with Messi. But like you also spoke about Grealish. Grealish, when he moved to City,
Yeah.
then many pundits said that he have like 4 weeks or 5 weeks is he can perform or not in City.
Yeah.
In the first week, he's still ordinary players, and then he's starting to make a goal and also assist. How about Messi? How many week that you will give to see his performance?
He's now injured. First of all, I don't know how long he will be aside.
Yeah.
But besides that, Messi has just so many quality that he can adapt in many kind of system.
Okay.
He's not a player who runs from one corner to other corner or from box to other box. You must be able to exploit his quality, which is individual skill, dribbling, shooting. Then I think it will come. Pochettino is not stupid. But the question is, it's not about the system. The question is, can he manage the three egos, especially Mbappe? Because Mbappe is now ranked number 3, after Messi, Neymar, then Mbappe. And he wants to show to the world that he is the one who can replace Messi and Ronaldo as the GOAT. Okay? That's why he wants to leave PSG going to Real Madrid.
So if the ego is still the same, so who is the one who will take a side from point of view with Pochettino decisions?
Mbappe.
Why?
Because Neymar has also great influence, and Messi is the star.
But Icardi also have a problem with Messi.
Yeah, that's why Icardi is always being subbed.
Yeah. But he scored in the last minute.
Yeah,
in the
okay.
last game.
And it's even worse. Now, look at, let's go back to how he managed finally the trophy for Argentina. After such a long time, he's been playing for the national team with the almost similar players, I guess. But after, I don't know, maybe 15 years, finally he got the trophy.
Yeah.
So that's what I stated at the beginning. Messi is a home guy. He's a same place for 20 years. It's not easy to adapt the new. It's not only new system, new family, as I said, new everything. And you know what? He doesn't even the family now. They don't have a permanent house at the moment. He's still searching. So that's why I'm saying it's not easy to start. But again, PSG is the club with the multi-million players with a lot of quality. So I guess it's just a matter of time he will score and give a trophy to the PSG.
Okay, we leave it the topic from Harpa opinion, and we will go to Ronaldo. But before that, we have trivia from the control room. Okay, so how we spell or how we
How you
Pronounce.
how you pronounce
pronounce.
how you pronounce this club? But I don't know how you pronounce with comments.
You can type it literally.
Oh, you can
Yeah.
type it
How it
literally.
sounds.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Leicesterr.
Maybe you can start with A, B, C,
Justin
D,
will give
E,
the
F, G.
answer in the last of the show. So, compared with Ronaldo,
Yeah.
isn't that Premier League is harder than Ligue 1? But Ronaldo keeps scoring and scoring from the first time he played.
I mean, if you want to compare Messi with Ronaldo, are you comparing only in these few games, or are you comparing in their whole career? That's my question to you.
This question is in this season.
In this season.
like 4 or 5 weeks.
At this
season.
moment, Ronaldo has showed that he can adapt much better than Messi.
Okay, you
Simple
acknowledge
as that. Yeah.
Yeah.
If we saw in
of course.
this season,
Yeah.
he can adapt more.
Not only he scored a goal, but he also contribute.
Yeah.
But on the other side, he is Man United legend.
Mm-hmm.
So it's easier to adapt. He knows the language. Does Messi speak French? No.
I don't think so.
Does he speak English? No. So there is lack of communication, which is very important when you play in a group.
So you want to say that Ronaldo moved club to another club. So this is the advantage of this adventurer player.
Yeah.
Like him.
Yeah, sure.
Not like Messi.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got an instrument to level the frequency when he moved from Portugal and then England, Italy, and then Spain. He doesn't have a problem with adaptive. As Justin stated, that Ronaldo has shown at the beginning. He started better than Messi. But again, what you're gonna assess is when at the end of the season.
Yeah.
Let's say if we agree, I think for Man United fans, if they won the league, they can have a acknowledgement that that's why we bought Ronaldo. Then we can win the league. But for Messi, I think we agree. The assessment will be, can they win the Champions League, not
But-
Ligue 1? Because you said the comparison between Ligue 1 and
EPL.
EPL. Of course, EPL is harder than Ligue 1. That's why I said, if Ronaldo win the EPL, the assessment will be true. That's why all about Ronaldo. But for Messi, definitely they have to get the Champions League trophy.
You said that Ronaldo is the legend in
Yeah.
United. So he also has the language and the players will listen to him. But that's the different generations, coach. If he not perform well, I think the
sure.
other players
I agree.
also don't want to
I agree,
hear
but
him.
okay, I agree. But once he stepped into the dressing room, he got the credit
Yeah.
because he is the legend of the club.
Yeah.
That is the credit that he can afford to fail.
Yeah.
Let me put it that way. But he didn't fail. He adapted very fast because he speaks the language. He knows the coach. He knows the stadium. He knows the crowd, and he got support from all the crowd in and outside the pitch. So the whole atmosphere is supporting him.
Do you think he will consistently do this magnificent job?
No.
Why?
He's only one player.
In this season.
He's only one player.
Yeah.
And we know Ronaldo now as a finisher.
Uh-huh.
If he didn't get the ball, how can he finish?
But the players will work for him.
Yeah, okay. If in this 5 EPL match, how many match does Man United play very well. One
Not
match
many.
against Leeds. That's
Yeah.
it.
But he still win the game. They still win
Okay,
the game.
that is okay, but you cannot rely on just on one person.
So you don't feel that he will consistently
No,
do
it's not.
this.
It's not the problem of Ronaldo. It's more the problem of other players.
Let us talk
Why
about
you are?
because I'm trying to take you to different perspective.
Please.
This is just for maybe he just play for 3-4 games. It's gonna be a debatable if we talk about whether he can give a great contribution or not. But let's go to the technical.
Yeah.
Ronaldo came to United because Ole needs a clinical finisher.
Yeah.
That's the most important.
Clinical finisher.
Yes, but Messi came to PSG, I think maybe 70% because of the exposure,
Yeah.
because Nasser saw there is a chance of being taken Messi as a star, because they like exposure. You know, Qataris people. But so this is the difference.
Yeah.
Ole took Ronaldo because they needed finisher. Now, if Justin said whether he can bring contribution or not, I think it's just 3-4 games. We have to at least half the season. We can see then the contributions, and at the end of the season what he can bring to the club.
So yeah, I mean, do you agree with Justin that he won't consistently do his job like this early season?
Okay, let's go back to where he.
You
plays.
you
Yeah.
always say to let's go back.
Because-
Just straight to your answer.
If you want to see the projection, you have to look at the histories.
Yeah, but you already
Because-
said 3 times.
Okay.
Look into histories. It's like storytelling, man.
Because he made successful in different clubs in different countries, and now I think the way he adapt, the fast he adapt, he can make contribution to the Man United. I think that's for sure. It's just a matter of time again.
So-
he can make contribution. I totally agree, but it doesn't mean he can score any game. It doesn't mean he can win any game.
Yeah, of course, except Arsenal.
That's your question, right?
To win any game,
Yeah, or to score any
To
game.
score.
Yeah, but at the end of the season, he will definitely make a huge contribution
Okay.
of the performance of Man United. That's for sure.
So how about you, Jebretim, about this topic? Will Ronaldo will consistently scoring a goal and bring United win and win and win again if he play or not? Just give your comments in the below comment sections. So if I compare the two league, it's not fair. Then if
Yeah.
we compare it in UCL,
Yeah.
how they play,
Yeah.
is it going to be fair? If I
No.
ask you both about PSG and also United
Wait,
in UCL.
what do you compare? If you compare the trophy, it's not fair because trophy is the result of 11 players.
Yes.
Okay, if you compare
This individual, I mean this.
individual
Yeah.
performance,
Yeah.
then you have to compare not only in UCL but also in the league.
Okay, but it's
Totally.
different, the Ligue 1 and also the
No,
BPL,
Total.
the quality.
Total league from Barcelona, from their career,
Oh, okay.
not only from this league. It's not fair.
No, I mean only for this season.
Okay.
For this season, not from
Okay,
long
okay,
period
okay.
ago. Who is the best?
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
already like
Okay, yeah,
people saying about that. I mean in this season,
yeah,
the competitions with this both GOAT.
yeah.
Is it going to be fair if we compare them in the UCL this season?
No, it's not fair because PSG has much stronger team than Man United.
So you mean who will get the advantage of it?
Messi.
or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Messi.
Yeah.
Yeah, Messi, because he play with.
But he
a lot-
cannot play with the other superstar, coach.
Not yet.
Okay.
So I think this is the problem. In PSG they have a lot of superstars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know if if Pochettino can manage all those superstars they go.
Okay.
In United, well, they have Ronaldo and some
Pogba.
Pogba
players,
and Bruno.
But I don't know if Ole Gunnar Solskjaer can manage them into the Champions League trophy, because Champions League is another level of football. So that's an issue. But if you said, can we compare those teams? How far? I think your question, how far they can go in the Champions League? As I said, PSG have a stronger.
Not how
teams.
far the club, but the contribution of the players in the
Yeah.
club. I don't say about PSG or United who will gonna be the champions or something like that, but the contributions that the two players will give to the clubs.
I think definitely Ronaldo carry out more responsibility than Lionel Messi. Let's say if Lionel Messi doesn't pay, they still have another players.
You cannot say because it's just too early. Once this problem, this ego problem, is going to be solved, Messi will give a lot of contribution to PSG. But that's why it's just too early
Okay.
to make that kind of prediction.
So this might be too premature
Yeah, too early,
Yeah.
I think.
to predict how's Messi future for this season and
Yeah,
also
yeah.
Ronaldo. But do you think isn't wrong also to say that he won't fit with PSG this season?
Oh, anything at this moment,
Yeah.
it can go to any direction.
Yeah.
It can go very positive or very negative. Even I make a joke prediction, I will not surprise when Messi will be back to Barcelona next year.
Okay.
So there is still possibility of that. If he doesn't feel comfortable at all, if there is no solution for this ego problem, if Pochettino cannot find the right system, if at the end of the season he will say, yeah, fuck with all the money, I will go back to my home where I feel comfortable, where people appreciate me, where all my teammates appreciate me.
That's your opinion
That-
or your
no,
expectations
No, there is still possibility.
for that?
For me, Messi is history. I hope he will not go back to Barcelona because Barcelona is going to a new era, and Barcelona will perform much better without this old Messi.
I
But
think
once again, I will not close that possibility.
Yeah.
There is still a small possibility that he will go back after 1 year if everything
wrong.
goes wrong in PSG.
So do you think it will be goes wrong or not?
You cannot,
I still have to insist to ask that
you
with
cannot,
you.
you cannot predict that. For example, if Mbappe goes to Madrid in January, anything can change. If Pochettino can manage the ego of Mbappe and Neymar and Messi, which those are questions that we cannot give answer at this moment.
Or
So
maybe you
it can
can
go
give
to
that
any direction.
answer.
Even Harpa cannot give that moment because
Maybe
he's
you
not
have-
paranormal.
Yeah, maybe you can get that because many Jebret team really like to recording our statements
Yeah,
and then
and post
compare
it,
yeah.
in the next season.
That is their job because they don't have a life.
That's why I also have my job to ask that with you both.
okay.
Yeah.
Let me state. First of all, we have to see what has
Once
hap-
again, you said history, I will give you yellow card, okay?
No, I'm gonna talk about what's happening now. Ronaldo, as I said, in the team play for him,
Okay.
and also the other way around.
Okay.
They love it. They were waiting for Ronaldo
Okay.
to come, and Ronaldo also knows the atmosphere.
Okay.
That's the most important, and he has already scored a goal. And Messi now we're still talking about a lot of issue.
Okay.
So at the end, Ronaldo start better than Messi. That's the most important. So if we started from that point of view, then we can see Ronaldo has bright futures in this season. But again, as Yasin said, if you say can they have a trophy at the end of the season, no one knows. No one knows. But at the end, Ronaldo started better than Messi.
Yeah, if you said that this new season Ronaldo started much better than Messi, everybody knows it. That's why
Yeah.
I ask you both about the predictions of
The
this
prediction is Ronaldo will play constantly. He
Okay.
will contribute to Man United.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean that they can win a trophy
season. Okay,
because we talk about only one player.
the Ronaldo
Yeah.
contributions.
But the Messi issue is much bigger. The problem is much wider, bigger, and complicated.
Complicated.
That's why you cannot predict what is going. But because anything can happen.
Okay, if with this rundown, Gia said, will this season will be Ronaldo's and Messi downfall? So we
No.
cannot answer it.
No. Downfall, I can almost certain say it's not going to be downfall for
For Messi.
Messi either for Ronaldo.
You know-
Even though now he's got injured,
It's small injury.
It's even worse. It's even worse.
Minor injury.
Okay.
So it's gonna be tough for both, because as I had the assessment for Ronaldo, is gonna be EPL, and at the same time, Chelsea are getting stronger and stronger. Liverpool looks very constant,
Okay.
and City always a contender. So it's
But
a little bit tough.
If
And then-
if Man United do not win anything, it doesn't mean that Ronaldo cannot contribute, right?
Of
Yeah,
course, yeah.
agree.
But again, there is the expectation of many people when he came. Of course, they want Ronaldo to help United win something. At least.
You know why?
maybe
Because fans
FA Cup
MU
or
are
something.
most Kardus.
Kardus!
There is no explanation for that.
50,000.
No,
50,000.
there is no explanation for that. You cannot just translate it. That's why I use that word.
Both of you,
Okay.
50,000.
No.
fine.
Okay. Okay, so I will predict that
it's gonna be
Ronaldo
tough.
is gonna be brighter than Messi this season.
Yeah,
Oh,
but can you say
that
that he
is
can get
possible.
something?
That is possible.
Now let me ask you: Do you
me.
think Ronaldo can guarantee get the trophy EPL at the
I'm not saying the trophy. I'm saying the contribution.
Yeah, the same.
Yeah,
And-
I agree.
Yeah, I get it.
That's so
I
not,
agree.
not about the trophy. Okay, so Jepret team, I will also give you the second trivia about pronouncing the words of the clubs in the English football. So how do you pronounce
very
this
important.
team? This is really important. You have to pronounce it really perfect. So
perfect.
because we have the same boss. Okay, just say it, and Harpa will do his job in the
comment.
not in the comments, in the last section.
Last section. No problem.
Okay,
No
now
problem.
we going through the rivalry in football. So if it's so difficult to you both to say about Ronaldo and Messi because it's too premature and something like that, so how about this new Messi Ronaldo? It's gonna be Mbappe Haaland.
No. No.
Why?
You cannot compare. If you talk about rivalry, yeah, okay, maybe, but the level of Mbappe and Haaland is still below Messi and Ronaldo.
Yeah, for now. For now.
Yeah, no.
I mean, if we compare in their age,
No, still in their age, I think Messi and Ronaldo still better than Mbappe and Haaland.
yeah, but I mean,
the future rivalry.
yeah, the future, the media
Probably. I
will
think
try to
probably.
find another,
Yeah.
You know what?
It's
player
possible.
like
Yeah, it's
both
possible.
of these.
The media play a big role in this
Yeah.
rivalry.
Yeah.
As many people say it, and also being acknowledged by the Messi. It's just they try to blow up. There is a rivalry, but media play a big role on that. So I guess it's some. We have to look where they are going. I mean, Haaland now is in Dortmund. It's not interesting to compare them with Mbappe because Mbappe play in a higher level in PSG.
No,
So-
it's
PSG.
in lower
PSG
lower
also.
league than Bundesliga.
Yeah, Dortmund
Yeah, but
PSG
it's
is-
not interesting to compare Dortmund and PSG.
Yeah, for now.
Now, that's what I'm saying. I'm answering your question.
So Haaland have to go to Barcelona,
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Or maybe
and Mbappe go to Madrid.
Then maybe
Agree.
everything will be boiling up.
Yeah, yeah.
But at the moment, they are the most potential rivalry could be seen at the futures.
Okay, so we both agree
Yeah.
with that.
Unfortunately.
So who's gonna be typical like Ronaldo and who's gonna be typical like Messi? For they're both.
Ronaldo, Haaland.
I think it's supposed to be the other way around. Mbappe is looks
Mbappe is more Messi.
familiar.
Why?
He has
It's
more
interesting.
skills.
Who?
Mbappe has more skill.
I don't think
Has
it's
more
about the
skill than-
skill.
Than
Then
Haaland.
Haaland.
Yeah. But
Haaland is
Haaland
like-
is more killer.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the ambition that Ronaldo has. I think it's more, in my opinion, more similar to Mbappe. You know, he likes styles and everything. Haaland is more like humble, I think. I guess. I don't know.
So the one who have more talent is Mbappe,
Yeah.
and the one who work hard is
Is Haaland. Yeah. For me, yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, probably.
Mbappe is this guy is very good. But the problem with Mbappe is his attitude. And many players. I just read an article in Dutch media, and last game they play against Metz, and the coach of Metz said the same thing. I have totally respect for the talent of the capability of Mbappe, but he must change his attitude. And I heard that so many times from different kind of people, different kind of coaches. His problem is attitude.
What type of
Arrogant.
attitude that?
Arrogant.
But he not.
No respect for opponents.
But he
Things
not
like that.
he not the one who's saying lots in the media.
Not yet, maybe.
He not saying much
No,
words in the media, doing some
he show it.
media publications.
Did you remember when Giroud gave a small inputs towards Mbappe or small criticism that I don't get a ball from Mbappe, and he immediately react Mbappe. He should not do that. He's just a kid compared to Giroud. Okay, he should respect Giroud much more. And he react immediately, emotionally. So that's why, and I know it already for a few years. This guy has attitude problem.
How about Haaland?
There is no signs, no media reports, no comments from other players or coaches that Haaland is arrogant.
Not yet, maybe.
Not yet, maybe.
I think the rivalry between Haaland and Mbappe will not be as interesting as Ronaldo and Messi.
Okay.
What made interesting Ronaldo and Messi because their contradictions. People like contradiction. People like friction.
Yeah.
That's why over the last 15 years it's been always the issue El Clasico, and then when Ronaldo moved.
Because they play in the two different clubs.
Yeah, different clubs, different
Different
personality.
big clubs.
People always consider Messi is gifted and then Ronaldo is hard worker. That's why people like it, contradiction. But I don't see Haaland and Mbappe has such big contradictions. That's what I'm saying. Maybe it will be the future rivalry, but I don't think it will be more, as interesting as what Messi and
So media have to
That's
do
why Haaland and Mbappe should go to different clubs.
yeah.
probably.
different clubs both in the same
In the
league.
same country, in the same league.
Yeah, so media can also making
Blow up.
news,
Yeah,
Yeah.
the agent
Yeah,
do
yeah,
some
yeah.
publication, something like that. But what? How many years this Messi Ronaldo will end it?
Good question. I
2
think
years?
2-3
For
years.
you.
2 years?
Not more than 2 years.
No.
So
It's already over, yeah.
Yeah.
After
So-
2 years.
So if this is folk story, I think this is the best part, the last of the story. Over the next 2-3 years, I think we don't know. That's why we cannot answer your question. Everything can change. Maybe
Isn't that on Qatar next year? It's gonna be the end of their era,
Yeah, I think so.
2 years.
especially
maybe.
if Argentina or Portugal
Yeah.
will win
Yeah, exactly,
the
yeah.
trophy.
I think so, but because Messi has signed for 2 years contract, I think after 2 years he will retire.
So I say
So he's still gonna 36.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Ronaldo
Ronaldo
37.
38.
now 36.
Yeah, Ronaldo gonna be 37,
Yeah.
39,
38.
39, yeah.
39.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They did for 3 years, yeah.
Okay.
So again, the next 2 years is gonna be interesting because this is the last part of the long way rivalry, and something that next generation will talk about it.
Yeah.
And it's interesting. One day, Ronaldo said, being questioned by the reporters, "Will you have a dinner?" Ronaldo said, "One day, maybe we're gonna have a same meal one day." But
They don't hate each
Yeah,
other.
of course,
Yeah.
of course.
That's what the media makes
Exactly.
it.
Yeah.
That's why Ronaldo said like that.
They will invite it by Muli, by Kochi here, you know, as a promoter to ask them to Indonesia. We will have a dinner table.
It
meet-
cilok maybe.
Yeah, with them. But I have to ask this also before we end these episodes. So, where Lewandowski level in this Messi Ronaldo era, and then Mbappe Haaland in the future? Isn't that not fair for Lewandowski?
Listen, Lewandowski is skyrocketing the last 2-3 years. 5, 6, 7 years ago, people know Lewandowski, but
Yeah.
he's just a good striker.
Okay.
But the last 2-3 years, he became a world-class striker. So it's not comparable. Messi and Ronaldo are world famous 10 years ago, even 15 years ago. But Lewandowski, for me, is the best striker at this moment.
Okay.
But as a striker, and it's just for the last 2, 3, maybe 4 years.
So Neymar also gonna be like Messi, Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Neymar.
Neymar can be, but again, for me, it's also the attitude, the way he plays.
I think talking about Lewandowski, he has a different personality. First of all, and secondly, he chose Bayern Munchen instead of Madrid or Barcelona. I mean, if you play for Bayern Munchen, there will be not much issue on it. Who is the rival of the Munchen in Bundesliga? Of course, there is PSV Munich or others, but it's not as high as El Clasico. So Lewandowski play in the comfort zone, while on other hands, Ronaldo and Messi play in a hot seat in Barcelona, Real Madrid. So I think he is a good striker, but in terms of exposure, I think media doesn't really like to expose him. That's the difference.
Yeah, because now Adidas has Messi, Ronaldo Nike. Puma.
Lewa,
No, Puma is Neymar. So Lewandowski maybe Mills, yeah. Okay, now this is your turn as well to pronounce this club.
Many people
Many people.
mispronunciation.
And Harpa will also pronounce it with perfectly. Okay. So
Hopefully.
there are already 3 clubs. So how we pronounce this club?
This, how you pronounce this? Reading. I know some of you in the back always pronounce this reading, but this is not reading, but reading. And this one
Coach.
coach.
Leicester.
Not Leicester.
No, Leicester.
So
Leicester.
You delete the C in the middle.
Leicester.
Like, for example, if people knows Worcester sauce, you read it Worcester sauce.
Okay. Worcester's.
Yeah.
Okay. So Leicester.
Not Leicester.
Leicester.
Like crackers,
Okay.
Lays. Tranmere Rovers.
Yeah.
If I'm not
Tranmere.
mistaken,
Yeah, yeah, Tranmere Rovers.
Tranmere.
Not Tranmere.
Not
Yeah. Tranmere Rovers.
Mere ya, no mere.
Okay. That's the questions from Abrar and also from Gary. I don't know. Not in the rundown, yeah. So last but not least, soccer or football? Well, about that, it's just your opinion. If you go to us, they will think opposite. Apa sih nih?
That's 100,000. That's 100,000
What's
fine.
this? Oh, is it soccer or football?
It's,
If we're saying about these sports.
you know, let me put it this way. You know, I go every year to the States.
Yeah.
And I
That's
spoke
an
to
issue.
many people. And
States is United States.
yeah, United States. And couple of times I make a lot of talks with American people, and I always ask them, why do you play football with your hands?
Okay.
That's American football.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
call football is American. Why do you guys play football with your hands? And no one can give the right answer. So it's soccer is actually football.
Okay.
Soccer is their words for football. For the rest of the world is football, not soccer.
So we choose the majority.
Yeah.
So
Of
it's
course.
football.
Yeah.
Because you know, Americans people they want difference in many aspects. That's the case. And if you go to America and you say about football, it refers to
American football.
NFL definitely. That's
Okay.
the difference.
Okay. It's like egg and
Chicken.
chicken. It's like egg and chicken. Okay, what will happen to Messi or Ronaldo? Even if both of them failed, will still good for football industries. Will still good for YouTube content for both of them, especially for media, especially for our friends now who starting to make their own YouTube because of Kochi, of course. But the season is still long, many games ahead, many dramas we will wait from both of the stars. So once again, if you have comments, opinion, idea for this show, just give your opinion. And if you are sponsors who interesting to give us sponsors, just contact us and we will ready to make presentations for you. So see you in the next episode of DPI English versions, and we also have to congratulate of Fanico, our
host,
what host is
Our colleague.
Cardus.
Cardus, yeah.
Our Cardus
Host Cardus.
host is appointed as a host of Liga 2 Indonesia. Hey!
Congrats, Fanico.
Congratulations and see you next week.
Maybe
Thank you so
maybe
much.
we're gonna meet.